Appalachian Wireless proudly brings you unlimited data. Unlimited data is only $80 a month for a single line. 4 lines as low as $200. Better service, bigger savings. That's today's Appalachian Wireless, an East Kentucky network company. Data speed slow to 25 gigabytes per line to 512 kilobits for phones and tablets, and 15 gigabytes for modems. See store for more details.
More than 130 women who either own or manage a small business in eastern Kentucky gathered Tuesday in Paintsville to attend workshops and expand their networks. This is the 19th year for the Big Sandy Women's Small Business Symposium hosted by the Pikeville Small Business Development Center.
Just a really great day for us to empower ourselves as women, to see how far we've come in leadership roles in small businesses, in corporate roles and leadership roles within the community. It's just a really great day to celebrate women and their success in the business world.
In addition to the women attending the workshops, more than 20 exhibitors were set up, and many of those are also owned and operated by women.
You know, as a woman, of course, our voice doesn't always get heard, so it is good to be around other women who understand how hard it is in this business. We actually had some young ladies that were asking questions about how we started our business. Were we anxious? How we, overcame all the obstacles and stuff. So there are lots of people who are wanting to learn and wanting to open their own businesses here, asking questions.
The women's event also gives the Pikeville Small Business Development Center the opportunity to showcase its services to those who may not be familiar with what they offer.
They are a wonderful group of people that provide free services to people who are wanting to open a business or see about a business, do business plans, do ideas. At any point in time that they can come and talk with them, and their door is always open.
For more information, you can contact the Pikeville Small Business Development Center located in the Uniplex building. In Paintsville, I'm Shannon Deskins, EKB News.